Hey there, I'm King 5 meteorologist Ashley Ruiz with your Saturday morning extended forecast. We have a lot to talk about, even though the weather pattern continues to be rather quiet. Today, we are waking up to a lot of clouds over Puget Sound, the coast, some stratus clouds. We actually have an upper level low to our south, and typically that keeps things a little more on the cloudy side, or if we get clouds, they tend to clear slowly. In this case, we are going to have the slow clearing later in the morning, but as we heat things up, that should help clear us out, at least for most. There is this very slight chance that we get a stray shower near Puget Sound, the Kitsap Peninsula, later today, and I'll show you on the Futurecast in a minute. On Sunday, we're waking up to low clouds, going to have these clouds slowly break. We'll have sun breaks, partly sunny skies on Sunday, and we're a couple of degrees cooler. Showers return to the forecast late Monday and into Tuesday before we get another ridge building over the area. I wanted to show you the cameras around western Washington. You see blue sky above Hurricane Ridge, the coast. We have those stratus clouds. We also have some sun breaks in the mix for portions of Snohomish County. The winters this morning really above the higher elevations, and then the northwest interior where we've had sunshine. And again, La Push, you see how it's cloudy. Here's a look at the big picture, the satellite and radar. All of the moisture is more so to the south of us. And yes, we have all of those low clouds in place. It's also going to be quite windy close to the coast, through the strait, and then over the southwest interior at times. But again, we are going to have these clouds start to slowly taper as the day goes on. The big picture, the upper air weather pattern, the reason why our rain chances are so low today, even though that ridge is finally moved to the east, it's because of this low that is moving over California and then just to the south of Oregon, but it's going to be close enough that we'll have some of that moisture locked in place. High temperatures today, depending on how quickly these clouds clear, although the northwest interior will get more sunshine than not. We'll have 50s, 60s for the islands, and then the North Sound, mid 60s, and again, mostly sunny into the afternoon. We'll have partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies later in the afternoon, mid and upper 60s there. Now, if clouds hang tight a little longer, then we can shave off a couple of degrees from these forecast highs, but all in all, still expecting the 60s, mid, maybe some upper 60s for portions of the Kitsap Peninsula. For southern Washington, we'll have 50s and 60s. The immediate coast going to be, again, windy with highs only in the lower 50s. And then up toward Port Angeles near 60, and then Shelton near 66. Eastern Washington, if you want some really warm weather, eastern Washington expected to top out in the upper 70s to lower 80s. And since it's spring, we have so many events going on around western Washington. Clam Festival, Long Beach, again, windy, 54 perhaps for a high this afternoon. Tulip Festival, going to be the last weekend to really check them out, 66. And then the Mariners are at home, 65, and first pitch at 6:40 this evening. Tonight, mostly cloudy, 30s and 40s for the greater Seattle area, warming up only into the low and mid 60s tomorrow. Even though it's been so warm, temperatures have been well above normal. And so tomorrow, a couple of degrees above normal. Normal is 62 degrees. So we're still going to be near that, if not above that. And a friendly reminder for our ski resorts, Mount Baker's officially closed as of last weekend. Mission Ridge closes tomorrow, so you can get this weekend up at the slopes in Mission Ridge. Crystal Mountain, weekend operations through May 26th, and then same for White Pass, last weekend of operations. Not expecting any snow up there, little to no accumulations over the next 7 to 10 days there. For our Futurecast, this is what I was talking about in terms of maybe a stray pop-up shower, maybe along 101, the eastern Olympic Peninsula, into the afternoon, evening. You see how it slowly meanders to the east and eventually dissipates, so a sprinkle could be possible over Puget Sound. Again, maybe a quick pop-up shower this afternoon and evening. Mostly cloudy skies overnight, low clouds into Sunday morning. Those could be very slow to clear. but we'll still have sun breaks in the mix, mostly sunny to our north, however, tomorrow. Monday morning, waking up to low clouds, and we'll get some showers approaching the northwestern coast as well as the northwest interior by Monday afternoon. Most of these showers will move over Puget Sound into Monday night and into Tuesday. Then we skip to Wednesday. So we'll have another ridge building over the region and northwesterly flow. So we are going to have a nice warm up into our Thursday and Friday. Things will begin to change. Ridge is still going to be locked in place on Thursday. So Thursday is going to be our warmest day before that ridge moves to the east again, opening the door for our next system to roll on through on Friday. So this is what our 7-day forecast is looking like, up and down, as we begin to wrap up April. So today, morning clouds, mostly sunny, partly cloudy into the afternoon. On Sunday, 64, and then Monday and Tuesday will be our coolest day. So increasing clouds and showers Monday. Tuesday, showers and sun breaks. We're partly cloudy, back up into the mid 60s on Wednesday. Thursday, once again, going to be the warmest day. Sunny skies, highs for now look to be in the low and mid 70s. Some could be even warmer than that. And then Friday, that's when showers return to the forecast once again. Temperatures start to go back down. Beyond the 7-day forecast for the first full week of May, you see how temperatures start in the upper 50s, near 62, and then into May 5th, May 6th, May 7th, back up in the 60s and 70s. So again, spring is in full swing. We'll continue to have those chances. 7-day rain totals are going to be very, very low for Puget Sound, generally a quarter of an inch or less. So you can always find the latest on king5.com as well as King 5 Plus. That's free to download on your TVs, as well as the King 5 app, which is also free. Have a fabulous Saturday, and we'll talk tomorrow.